Hello Zimbabwe, how are you doing? How are you doing today? Today we're gonna be doing a lesson on Ndiri Mweya. That song was done by Micheal Mahendere, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to play that song on the keyboard. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is how it is played. So I'm gonna play the song first, and then I'll explain the chords. Okay, so this is how the chords will be going. From the first part of the song, you play from the first, which is F sharp. So it's Ndiri Mweya, Ndiri mwana weme. Then we go to the fourth, which is B, and then you can add a second. This second you can edit as a passing chord, you know, and then back to F sharp, the first. Then you go to the fifth, then you can use the fourth, second as passing chords, then back to the first. So again, from the first to the fourth passing chord, the second, then back to the first, fifth passing chord, fourth passing chord, second, then back to the first. So that is how I would play the song. So that's it, Zimbabwe. That's it. That's how I would play Ndiri Mweya. These are the basic chords of how I would play it. Definitely there's so many other ways to play it, but this is how I would play it, and this is a very easy way, a simple way for beginners to learn how to play Ndiri Mweya. So let's meet again tomorrow on the next video.